Okay, folks, this is the way you work the generator. Sometimes you're at the cabin in Rainforest. The electricity company, they turn off the power because of the wild winds and the fires. So here in La Cabañita, we do have a generator we just installed. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to work the generator. Right now, we do have some power out. So if you see everything's off there, I'm going to show you how to work the generator. So if you come towards the kitchen, okay, you have a door back here. Open this door, okay. Let me try to turn on the light here too, okay. So you'll see the generator. Sorry. So if you come here on this side, there's only two things you're gonna do, okay. So there's a generator, and then there's also this box. It's gonna be really easy, okay. It's gonna be this box. Once you turn on the generator, okay, and I'll show you right now in a bit, this light is going to turn on, okay. Once this light is turned on, okay, you're going to push this button towards the right and let it go, and you should see the lights turn on in the inside of the cabin. Once the power comes back up, you should see this light green, okay. So what you do, you push this towards the left, and then it should turn on. It should go to the utility electricity. Now you don't touch nothing, none of this. It's just this button, okay. So say let's see, like right now there's a power outage. Let me show you how this works, okay. You come to the generator first. It's gonna be a little bit loud because I'm gonna turn on the generator. So you come here to the generator. Same thing with the generator. You don't really touch nothing, just a button. Sometimes it's gonna be a little bit harder to turn on, but just let it sit, okay. You're gonna push this button right here where it says start. You're gonna press it twice, okay, twice. And then sometimes it's gonna act like if it's gonna turn on. Give it a second, and then it should turn on, okay. If it doesn't, give it some time. Give it like a few seconds more, and then it should turn on. So we're gonna do it right now. It's gonna be a little bit loud, but I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay. So there's only two things you're gonna do here in this generator, okay. So you come here, you press it twice. See that? It should flash like that, okay. And that's fine. See, it didn't turn on. So let's try it again. It turned off, so now we're gonna try it again. 1, 2. It turned on. Now what you want to do is turn on this switch right here. This switch right here, turn it up, okay? Right here where it's at, right here. This one, you turn it up, this way. See that? And it's generator power, okay? Here, our generator. Now, take a look. Everything's working. So the only thing that's probably not gonna work here, it's gonna be this room. There's not gonna be no power here. It's gonna be in the second small room. But I mean, you do have lights that I provide here. See, you have lights there, so you have power. The fridge works. Everything else works. The restroom, the power on the restroom too. Everything works. I know it's a little bit of a hassle, guys, but I mean, the power has been going out lately. But I mean, if you have any questions, feel free to call me. Remember, you're not gonna have internet, okay? You're not gonna have internet when there's no power. But once you turn it back on, you should have power, okay? Once the power is going, of course, this is the Wi-Fi password and also the network. If your phone doesn't have no reception, go to Wi-Fi, and then you should be able to give it a second for the generator to kick in and the Wi-Fi router to boost up again. I mean, if you have a little problem, keep on looking at this video. But like I said, everything works. The furnace, if it's cold, this one works. Just turn it to heat, and you have another tutorial there. talking about the furnace. Upstairs, all the lights and everything do work. Just that little room. Okay, guys. Thank you very much.